I'm Amelia. Today, we're going to talk about the relationship limbo, why you're stuck and how to get out. So, how do you break free from this powerful cocktail of fear and false hope? You need a system, a framework that moves you from emotional confusion to objective clarity. Step 1. Shift from feelings to data. When you're in limbo, your feelings are unreliable. They are a chaotic mix of love, hope, resentment, and fear, changing from one hour to the next. You cannot make a clear decision based on feelings alone. You need objective data. Here is your assignment. For the next 30 days, I want you to start a private relationship journal. At the end of each day, take just 2 minutes to answer 3 simple questions. Be brutally honest. 1. Did my relationship today leave me feeling more energized or more drained? 2. Did I feel seen and respected for who I am, or overlooked and dismissed? 3. Did our interactions today align with the future I truly want for myself? This is not about scorekeeping or blaming your partner. This is about collecting data on the reality of your relationship, not the story you've been telling yourself about its potential. Step 2. Define your non-negotiables. You can't know if a relationship is right for you if you don't have a clear definition of what right means. A car is only good if it meets your needs. Do you need a family minivan or a sports car? The same is true for relationships. Here is your second assignment. Take a piece of paper and write down your 3 to 5 absolute non-negotiables. These are not wants, like he should be tall. These are core needs for a fulfilling partnership. They might be things like mutual respect, even during disagreements, a shared vision for the future, emotional availability and the willingness to talk about feelings, consistent effort and presence in my life. Once you have this list, compare it to the data you collected in your journal. Does the daily reality of your relationship honor your non-negotiables? The answer will often be painfully clear. Step 3. The clear conversation. Armed with your data and your list of non-negotiables, it's time to have a conversation. This is not an ultimatum. This is not a fight. This is what I call a clarity catalyst. The goal is not to force your partner to change, but to get the final piece of data you need, their true position. You can use a simple, non-accusatory script. Something like this. I've been doing a lot of thinking about us and our future. For me to feel happy and secure in a relationship, I truly need. Mention one of your non-negotiables, for example. To feel like we are a team, actively building a future together. Lately, I've been feeling like we're in a holding pattern, and it's been causing me some anxiety. I would love to understand your thoughts and feelings about where we are and where we're headed. And then you listen. Their response, or their refusal to respond, is your answer. They might agree and be willing to work on it. They might reveal they are happy with the way things are and have no intention of changing. They might get defensive. Whatever their response is, it is the truth. And the truth, even if it hurts, is what sets you free from limbo. Clarity is the antidote to limbo.